Welcome to Heritage Ways on YouTube, and today we are visiting a friend that we've met on Instagram, and that's one of the things we're doing. That's really one of the main things we're doing, traveling around to meet the social media friends who are willing to meet us. I know some people, they're not comfortable with that, and that's fine. We don't want to scare people too much. Right. We are scary.
That's fair enough.
But this is our friend Andrea, and we're in the state of Florida. And she is going to show us how to make rice pudding.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? And do you eat it hot or cold?
I like it hot. The kids like it cold, so it's just preference.
I like both too. I think I prefer it cold, but I like both. I like it.
I like hot.
You like hot?
Yeah. We'll see who wins the temperature.
Yes, we will see that. So she's going to show us how to make rice pudding today, and she says it's very easy.
All right. Okay, so we got a max here 5-quart pot.
Okay.
I started with 12 cups of water, but we've been catching up and the water's boiled down just a little bit there. So I went ahead and put some cinnamon sticks in there just to flavor the water, give it some yumminess. I'm going to go ahead and put 2, maybe 3 cups of already washed jasmine rice.
Jasmine, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the best kind.
That's what we've always used.
Is it aromatic?
No, nothing. No flavor.
Okay.
It's just...
Okay. So you don't do enriched white rice for anything?
No. Just a good old...
Okay,
so I'm going to do 3 cups.
Okay. Well, I like that your measurements aren't, you don't have to be exact about it. That's nice.
Give me a spoon in the top drawer there. Yeah, just like a metal spoon, the top. That's perfect. So we'll go ahead and just give that a mix.
Okay.
You need to be quiet. Look at that camera.
You absolutely can.
Is it done?
It's going to be good. The kids are having fun. Our 3, your 7. I think that's awesome.
All right, so we're just going to let that boil a little bit, and when it starts to bubble, we're going to turn it down and then let the rice absorb that water until it's kind of like a porridge consistency.
Okay, are you going to cover it at some point?
We can, yeah, go on.
So it doesn't matter if you do or don't?
Nope. No, it's kind of.
It just makes it taste better.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so you're just letting it simmer. How long did you say?
That'll take about 10, 15 minutes.
10 or 15. All right, cool.
And we'll come back when it's all porridge, and I'll show you how to kind of put the rest of the ingredients together.
Wow, that seems easy too.
Absorbing all the water here. We've got it to the consistency we want it, kind of like a porridge consistency. So what I'm going to do is scrape the bottom here, make sure nothing's stuck, there's nothing burning or cooking unevenly. And then I'm going to turn down the temperature just a little bit to low, and I'm going to go ahead and we're making ours with almond milk, but we used to make it with raw milk. Just regular dairy.
So you can use any milk.
You can use any milk.
I like raw milk, but I don't have access to that right now. So,
yeah. So almond milk it is today.
So is this dish considered gluten-free?
It is gluten-free. Yes,
because the rice and the almond milk.
And you can make it dairy-free if you get coconut condensed milk.
Oh, okay. So that's good to know.
All can eat. I'll pour till it reaches the top layer of the rice. And then once the almond milk's in, I'm going to give it a little stir, get it all mixed in nice.
You know what I realized? You don't have any fat like butter or coconut oil or anything, so you don't do that. Okay.
Not for this.
Okay.
But there is plenty of sugar to cover that fat that we're missing.
Sugar's good. All right, so you're just going to...
I'm going to turn it back up to
warm
medium.
this up.
Yeah, get it to bubble up a little bit. And then after we get it bubbling, I'll go ahead and add the last 2 ingredients. We got it to the consistency we want. Now it's time to add the goodies and we'll be all done. I went ahead and turned off the heat so that it can stop cooking. That way we don't have any overcooked rice. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball the raisins. I don't know, I'd say about a cup. Okay. Give or take, depending on your preference.
Do you ever use golden raisins or just the...
I have used them before in other things like bread.
I don't use them. I just wondered if...
They're not my favorite.
Okay.
But I
I like that too, but not with
So that plumps up. The raisins are going to plump up.
They sure are. They're going to be so yummy.
That is going to be yummy.
And then I'm going to put this goodness in lettuce. Condensed milk, favorite.
Thank you for teaching us this today, because I'm excited to learn this.
Oh, it's my pleasure. And the children have been craving, so it's a win-win.
Yes, yes.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pour this condensed milk in here. For the amount of rice that I'm doing, which was the 3 cups that I started with, it's going to require 2 cans of condensed milk.
Can I pour the other one?
Would you like to help me pour the other one? Are your hands clean, son? You should.
We asked that a lot.
The only thing that it was cheese and crackers.
Okay, give them your hands a quick wash, just in case you need to do something. So I'll stir in the first one. Get all that goodness.
That is some goodness.
I love that. I love just to look more.
Owen, do you like it hot or cold?
Cold.
Okay.
It tastes better cold.
Yeah.
It's sweeter too.
Oh, really? It's sweeter. Well, that's an interesting observation.
Right?
Yeah.
So when it is hot outside, they do enjoy it cold. I think it's refreshing for them. But I don't
And
know.
then I come inside to get a bunch more.
Yeah.
And then get water and lemonade and then tea.
Okay.
And I drink it all.
You all done, bud? You ready? Wait, let me rinse my hands. They're a little sticky. Alright, come here. Wait a minute. Alright, come on over. You are going to help me pour this, okay? So what we're going to do, son, I want you to... Wait, don't drop it yet. Take
Do your
this
kids
in.
like to help in
They
the kitchen?
do.
You have a lot of help in.
I do. Go.
Where's your sandals?
There you go. Make sure.
The car might
Make sure you try it all the way upside down so that it all comes up. Now don't let that lid go in. Yes. Check inside. Make sure it's all up.
No, there's not more.
Oh. Okay. Well, let's give it a roll.
Hey, I don't use it as the taste test.
Go ahead. Stick your little finger in. There you go. There you go. All right. Go on.
I got time.
It's just supposed to be free.
Here, let me give you some.
So I made a mistake of putting eggs in mine one time too. So
Did it taste like
it was
scrambled?
nasty. I threw it away.
That almost makes me laugh.
Mommy,
Eggs.
did I?
Oh my word!
Is that good?
Yes, it is good.
Here, take it.
I like it cold.
Well, we'll have to send her some cold and see how she likes it cold. But
That is
hot,
good.
for me, hot is the bomb.com.
Ooh.
I'm gonna save my spoon so I can use
Yes.
it for more.
Okay. So I'm gonna serve Mr. Patient because he's been so patient. Look at him
He is
sitting over
patient,
there.
bless his heart.
So patient. True to his
Look
name.
at him.
Got you that.
All right, let me.
Oh my.
Jonathan caught it.
Miss Andrea, they say they saw a pregnant lizard.
Oh,
So-
Layla knows when they're pregnant.
Okay, well.
Counts the eggs and they're really.
You can see them.
They've been here too long. I'll give it to you when it cools down.
So she said she gave you the cinnamon stick. Suck out the good stuff.
All right.
I don't like them.
Owen says it's better cold. He likes it cold.
Okay, let's move the cinnamon stick up top so you can
Mom,
keep
it was ready for you.
So I'm gonna get you a bowl too.
Oh,
Just let
thank
it
you.
cool down.
I have a spoon.
You got one?
Make sure the kids. Oh, is there? Okay.
There's plenty. So what I usually do
Thank
is take
you.
cinnamon powder and I
Okay.
put it on over the top, but we.
That's fine.
Apparently.
And then we've got the flavoring in here, so
Yes.
thank you.
I'm gonna go change the diaper. real
That's
quick.
fine, thank you.
I'm gonna tell you a little bit. Can you put these alphabet letters in there? And close the door. Oh, you do the letters.
Here, I want. I got something for you.
So good.
I don't like cinnamon.
Two cinnamon.
Too cinnamony.
There you go.
Well, this is delicious.
Oh yeah, I like spicy stuff too.
He likes this.
Cinnamon sticky hot.
Yeah, sometimes if you go look at your tongue on the bottom of it, inside of it, it's Mom.